to Jordan's office. Jordan is currently MIA. He's in London, right? Yeah. He fucking left us here. So the only thing that there is to do is to fuck with his shit. But I think this time we need to fuck with his shit on such a level of magnitude that like his asshole will instantly pucker up at the first sight of seeing it. So we're gonna destroy his fucking office. We're gonna go to Home Depot, we're gonna grab some supplies, we're gonna come back, and the demolition crew is gonna go to work on his office. So we made it to the Home Depot, where we're going to buy various construction things. I kinda want like a big, you know those big like wrenches they use it at the car shops? Are those real? This was decent. Like just.
There you go.
Oh wait.
Yes. Oh my god.
I didn't think they were real. I like this. Look at this. Put your nose in there.
What about a crowbar?
Oh yes.
This is pretty massive right
Yeah.
here.
I'm all about the crowbar right there. That's it. That is the one.
You guys have sledgehammers?
I want this one.
You're just gonna poke at it.
Little
Cut his
clippers.
wires.
Little clippers. I could use the clippers for something.
I want a nice little one. Like if I'm gonna kill someone, I want to do it right.
We can still get one.
Nothing, Aaron. I'm not gonna kill someone. Definitely not gonna kill someone. Definitely not.
Yeah, if you're like gonna steal stereos, that's what I would buy.
No, it's more for murder. So
We'll put him in Jordan's chair, and that will signify Jordan. Coat drop. Cats.
I'm a cat. Meow, 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 meow.
Here we go. We all set?
I think we're good.
So we made it back, weapons in hand, ready to destroy Jordan,
Mr. Jordan
and his office. Are we ready?
Yeah.
To destroy Jordan's office.
Yeah.
This son of a bitch has had this coming for a long ass fucking time. I'm gonna first hold on. Come on, Jordan. He's gonna come back.
Okay.
It's all right.
He's just gonna sit and watch.
He's just sitting. I'm gonna tweet from his shit, and I'm gonna put
From the litter box.
I eat my cat's.
Was that a kebab?
Yeah, the gloves are kind of cats. I eat my cat's litter box shit. Dot dot dot.
And then put an exclamation mark. So it's like fuck.
And I'll put happy face.
Send.
Hey! We've made history today.
Look at him! Every time I click on it.
Oh my god.
People are like, hacked.
70.
Little do they know.
Whoa.
He wasn't hacked. He was just rused.
Wow! Jesus fucking Christ!
Oh!
Get out.
Oh my god!
Yeah, that's in there.
Oh!
What is the little LED? Fuck the LED!
Oh!
What's the
Hold on, wait. I got my clippers. I gotta clip something.
That's not a part of Jordan's
What?
office at all.
What the fuck?
Oh!
What the fuck?
Glass in that.
That was glass.
Glass in that.
That got really serious really quick. I'm sorry.
Fuck you. That was like a 5 to an 11.
Hold on.
Oh, you gotta break the keyboard, James. You gotta break the keyboard.
I gotta break the keyboard, guys! Hey, clip the cord!
Oh.
Clip the cord!
Okay, I got it.
Clip the cord!
I came prepared. That one's a strong
Clip
cord,
it.
though.
Yeah! There you go. That's,
Oh!
that was really close to my fucking fingers.
That was
asshole.
so close.
You little shithead!
Oh, fucking hell! Oh!
Jesus, what the fuck? Aaron! Don't hit it back that way! Oh! Fucking hit my
Do
shit.
that again.
Yeah.
Tell you what, that's definitely the best weapon. That is a good one.
Come on, guys. I can chop down his tree.
Chop down
No.
the tree. Make him watch it.
All right, Jordan. Make him watch! Chopping down your tree.
Timber!
Is it even wood?
No, it's fucking like all metal. I'll trim it then. I'm gonna trim it.
I don't even know if it's gonna get destroyed.
It's trimming all right. Stupid, it's not fucking Christmas all year long.
Look, there it is. It just split. It split down the middle at the end. Hey.
That's his Gaben tree right there. It'll never grow back.
Look at him. He's nodding. He's like, yes. Yes.
That is
Destroy my office.
Whoa!
It's not working.
Come on.
Oh.
Now it's going.
Oh my god. The axe might work.
Yeah. Ready?
Ah, I got it. Ah!
Careful.
What a piece of shit. Oh, there it went.
That one sucks. Oh, went through! Went through!
Jesus. What's the show where you just go to a junkyard and they just destroy shit to relieve stress? There's a show.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This is what it is for us. I don't think I'll ever get stressed in a good like fucking month now. Ugh. Yeah.
Do the fucking swing back on that shit.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh
There goes
no! No!
That's my scary.
He fucking missed.
Oh, and I got
Oh, his head!
What's up, official Rocat?
Oh, official Rocat gear along with the
Rocat gear, sponsor us!
There you go, Rocat.
Oh!
Fucking hell! Hold on, he can still edit his videos. The cord still works. You can just be like, hello.
What do you think about this, Jordan? Jordan! Jordan!
All right, Jordan. No, don't do it. Cats. All right.
Oh!
Oh my god.
His head
Jordan.
demolished.
What the fuck? Look at his nose. What the fuck? That is terrifying. Fuck you, Jordan.
What?
Gaben will protect him.
You ready? Gaben will not protect him where he's going, you
Fuck.
Oh, look at his face.
Jesus.
Been destroyed. Jesus.
Not fucking done yet. Cause we still got this.
Uh-oh.
Oh, are you kidding me? You break the fountain?
James. Oh my god!
Oh, that
Oh.
went. Jesus Christ.
That is so...
Slam dunk!
Oh, Jordan, get in there. You want to get in there?
Okay, Spencer, I've been woken up and apparently you have too.
I was sleeping. I was like literally sleeping.
I don't know what's going on, but I don't like this because every single time I have a feeling something bad's going on.
How's it going over there in London town?
Well, we're just about to sleep, you know, and go to bed.
It's like 1 o'clock there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, don't worry. It's like 7 o'clock. Well, 6 o'clock here, so that's fine for us.
That's good. That's good that you guys are okay.
Oh, we're better than okay, Jordan. We just took out like a lot of stress and frustration. So we're gonna show you the result of that right now.
Welcome to your new office, Jordan. We did a little makeover.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
We chopped down your tree.
Literally destroyed your office.
What's in my fountain?
Well, that's you, Jordan.
That was you, mate.
Let's show you. We had a little fake you.
Why? Why?
What did we destroy? I mean, mostly everything.
What was the point of all of this?
What do you mean, what was the point? Do you know that show where like all the
People like go out to a junkyard and they just wreck shit to like relieve stress.
That's my office.
But I mean, it's also a nice form of stress relief too.
Why would you guys even do this? I'm never leaving the office again. At least the faces on the door are intact. Hey, Dan, put that away. No.
Some first person axe wielding. There's Danny right there.
No, I just met him the other day.
I kind of fucked up the door more than I did Danny, but
You guys woke me up for this bullshit?
Did you say your office is next?
Well, yeah, have fun in there. You can replace everything you break.
Ha! Not! Fuck your Ganondorf statue.
I don't have one.
You have a Link one.
I was from a fan.
You guys are dumb.